How to manage multiple email accounts on your Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily manage multiple emails on your iPhone or Android. Now let's just jump right in. First off, you want to go ahead and open up your settings menu. From settings, scroll down and find account section. Tap on it, then you have something called manage accounts. Go ahead and tap on that. As you can see here, you can find a list of all of your accounts available on your device. You can tap on any one of them to manage it. I have multiple accounts, so I'll just tap on one of my accounts here. And as you can see here, you can manage stuffs like account sync here. So if you tap on sync account, here you can add your syncs for your contacts, notes, calendar, drive, and Gmail. If you want to remove the account, you can tap on remove and you can get over to your account information if you tap on Google account. If you want to add another account, you can just go back. You can find an option to add account at the very bottom. Just tap on it. Then you can select which account provider you want to select, like any apps or websites. So I'll just select Google for now. Then you need to provide your fingerprint. Once that is done, you can add your email address, phone number, or anything else to log into your account. Keep tapping next and you're good to go. So that is how you basically manage multiple email accounts on your phone. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.